Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says solve 7 raised to power x is equal to 70. Yeah, a very quick way of doing this is to break down the right hand side first. So we have 7 raised to power x is equal to 70 is something as 7 multiplied by 10. So now we can divide both sides by 7 because there's 7 on this side. So we divide both sides by 7. So with that now, 7, we cancel 7. And then don't forget that this is like 7 raised to power 1. So because of that, we can subtract the powers. Don't forget that according to the law of indices, when you have the same basis of numbers dividing each other, what you simply need to do is to subtract their powers. So I can now write this as 7 raised to the power x minus this one here. And that will be equal to 10 that is left on the right hand side. Now, if you look at these two numbers, 7 and 10, there's no way we can break 10 to the base 7. So the method that we just need to apply here is to take the logarithm of both sides. So this becomes log 7 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to log 10. That is after taking the logarithm of both sides. Now, the next thing for us to do is that we apply the law of logarithm or the theory of logarithm that says that if you have power here, that power can multiply the logarithm. So this power now we can bring it to this side here to multiply this logarithm. So it becomes x plus, that is x minus 1 log 7. And that will be equal to log 10. So log 7 is equal to, when we press our calculator, log 7 will give us 0.8451 as the logarithm of 7. And then on this side, log 10 is 1. So the next thing that we can do now is to divide both sides by 0.8451. Divide this side too by 0.8451. So that this will cancel this. So here we'll be left with x minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by this will simply give us 1.183. So the next thing for us to do now is to collect like terms. So I can simply say x will be equal to this 1.183. This negative 1, when it comes to this side, it becomes positive 1. And that will finally give us the answer. This added to this will give us, this plus this will give us 2.183 as the final answer for x. So that is how to solve problems like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and share this video so that others can learn from it. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.